Once we rescue them,
aba babugaineho omu rukiiko rutebeekanisibwe omu kyanga kya Rwenzori kandi rwetabirwemu n'aba district community development officers kuruga omu district zitari zimwe na zimwe omu district z'ekyanga kya Rwenzori.
If we don't handle trafficking in persons very well, or call it human trafficking very well, it is a security threat. The victim of trafficking, sometimes we don't know where they are taken. Some are used in illegal activities. The so-called traffickers, the suspects, have a lot of money, and this money sometimes it is rounded in different projects, and we need to go for these proceeds of crime to disable their activities.
Ebihandiko kuruga mu ministry y'enshonga z'omunda nibyoreka ko emishango yo kuhamba abantu eyongiire kuruga aha mishango 2021 eyahandikirwe 2021 yehika aha mishango 12 omu mwaka gw'2022.
80% is domestic trafficking in persons or human trafficking. So that's why I'm saying the rest of 20% it is externalization. And the Ministry of Labor is helping us to regulate the recruiting companies, and those ones who have gone out using the correct procedures are always helped.
Okurigirira aha report yashohozibwa aba US Department of State omwaka oguhwire aha kiiba bantu omuri Uganda ekoreka ku government ya Uganda etine miringo ehamye eyerukurabira mu kurwanisa omuzogo.
The 4 P's have mentioned prevention, prosecution, protection, it is partnership. And purposely, that's what our office is doing to coordinate the activities of stakeholders.
Twino mujuni Julius or coordinator aha nshonga za human trafficking omu ministry y'enshonga z'omunda nagira ngo ekiri kubasika kiriyo nikikorwa okumaraho ekihamba abantu omu ihanga.
I expect out of this training coordinated activities. Like I've told you, we have probation officers, we have liaisons officers here. So I expect them to work together.
Gashaka Jonan Agacencwire.